I was a stockbroker. I can raise money. The easy comparison, and this is no joke, if anyone's seen The Wolf of Wall Street, when it came out, when he finally gets his business and everyone's cold calling and they're saying those one-liners, I was sitting in the audience with 3 or 4 people and I was repeating those lines and they're like, how'd you know he was going to say that? I said, that's what we do. Every day it happened, I was mind blown that, you can call someone you've never met before in another state, another country, and they would say yes. Real estate is a business of connections. The more people you know, the better you're going to be. And, from 2013, 2014 till today, we've acquired close to $350 million worth of real estate, 4,500 units. You got to work your way up. But the pitch was no different. And I say it all the time, it's not what you say, it's how you say it. And how you say it is the important part, right? You can't just ask somebody for $1 million. You have to present opportunities and you have to present it in a way that you're scripting a story. So you start today by educating your investors and potential investors about what you're looking for. If this came across my desk, would you be interested? So you're trying to find relationships, but you can't just go to a guy and say, hey, would you give me $1 million if I found a property? You want to paint that picture that you're an expert in a market, you're an expert in a product class. And then you want to present sample deals. And if they like that sample, go find that sample and you have your investors. So we really want to educate and get to know every investor that invests with us and not just met you. Here's $1 million. Thank you very much. I classify investors in 4 buckets. You have friends and family, you have influencers, high net worth, and then institutional/private equity. When we first started, obviously we started with friends and family. And then we gravitated towards the higher net worth. And then I spent a good amount of time shaking trees for family offices, institutional and private equity. The institutions are great, but they typically have a lot of control. If you're raising money and you're working with an institution, your investors have some risk. Understanding who the investor is, understanding what their goals are is the most important thing when you're raising money from institutions and private equity. Like the Nike sign says, just do it, right? Don't be scared. If you're scared, you'll fail. The 2 wheels in this business are finding money and finding deals.